Sentences for kids.
I have a telescope. I have a white shirt. I have a pet fish. I have a blue balloon. I have a teddy bear. I have a new dress. I have a red apple. I have a green ball. I have a soft pillow. I have pizza. I have a badminton match. I have a pet cat. I have a shiny coin. I have a friend. I have a bicycle. I have a water bottle. I have a magic wand. I have a kite. I have a toy dinosaur. I have a scarf. I have a bottle of juice. I have a camera. I have a wooden spoon. I have a drawing pad. I have a toy train. I have a pet rabbit. I have a basket. I have a soccer ball. I have a pair of gloves. I have a small mirror. I have a small bag. I have a bathrobe.
If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.